Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kushubile guys njengoba izingane zesithembu ibuyile leya show guys, and ibiya ngemandla, ibiya ngebantwana labangavani, ibiya ngebantwana guys lekufanele baprethendelane kuze ishow iqhubeke, kuze bahole, kuze ayishow thina siyibukele. So abantu bathi babona le trailer aye izingane zesithembu laphana bayiposte kubo TikTok nakubo Instagram, sabona nkosi yami ukuthi umpilo can't stand usine, like she really cannot stand usine, akakhoni ngisho nokupretenda. Usine bekabhiza jive eqaleni kwakhe thinking ukuthi uzathola i-attention yampilo. Umpilo bekangayingeni bekangazingeni, usho nje ukuthi mina akidikeni akidikeni. Since wena ushilo awukakhuluma ngami wathi wena mina mangifika mangivakashela kaMakhumalo mina ngifaka ama-headset ngakunaki, I'll just give you lendo lothi mina ngingiyo. Anyway, umpilo womntwana wami uSamseleku, for those who don't know, umpilo womntwana wami uSamseleku analo mnyimfati. I'm not sure ukuthi kahle makwampilo ngubani, but I know ukuthi makwampilo ukhona uyaphila. So umpilo uhlala nabani? Uhlala naMakhumalo, ukhuliswe nguMakhumalo vele, uthatha Makhumalo as her mama since nayo Makhumalo akanabo bantwana. Bathandzana nje ma-best friend naMakhumalo, close friends, bathandzana ngendlela lesimanga. So kule show yabo yezingane zesithembu guys, kufanele abantu khona thina kufanele batende ba-together as bantwana bamuSamseleku, bahlangane baqoqe bakhulume. And umpilo njengoba angavani nasine guys, ayiqha ugela akakhoni ngisho nokumpretendela vele, like akakhoni kummela. Kwabona uzonde umuntu ungakhoni ngisho nokumpretendela, ungamfuni kahle kahle eceleni nawe, like ungathi ukuthi kumele wente njani, like akamfuni guys kusine. And people noticed ukuthi ayi cha, umpilo enhlovela akakhoni kumpretendela kusine. Those people nje ukuthi if kwakhuluma something ngabi ngaye vele angeke azakhone angisho nokukuhlekisa, vele yena uyoloku ayibambe njalo. And some people feel ukuthi hayi cha, ngazi ukuthi impilo nayo inenkinga since even uma yini once revealed ukuthi akamkhulumisi. Ngazi ukuthi impilo vele ungilomntwana ongena tenzaba abantu labadzala, if kwenteka something yena uyobe sendayithatha ayibambe kube ngazi ukuthi ayakhe. But bantu nje umpilo ungilomntwana longena tenzaba abantu labadzala, njengoba futhi ukhulele esithenjini, kufanele ayiyekele le attitude leyo, because angeke aze aqine kahle uma tongena tenzaba abantu labadzala. But banda akafani naMpumelelo. Mpumelelo akade ngeni tenzaba abantu abafati baba wakhe, noma ngabe baqabene yena akaqabani namuntu, bahlonipha bonke, akanandzaba nokuthi ozibana ngisamkhulumisi because uqabane namama konke ngimayini, because uqabane namakwami, cha, akanako lokho. But with umpilo nhle uthenga indzaba yebantu abadzala. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out, so goodbye.